It was an early morning. Mr. Imran was getting ready for his office when his wife asked him to put just few clothes out for laundry today. He asked his wife, why? She told him, because a maid is planning to visit her granddaughter today. She will have to leave early to catch the bus and she will not be coming for 2 days. Mr. Imran asked her, where is she going for 2 days? She told him, tomorrow is the birthday of her granddaughter, so she's going to spend time with her and celebrate. Mr. Imran told her, okay, no problem. But then, his wife asked him, oh, one more thing. Should I give her rupees 500 as a bonus? Mr. Imran said, why now? We'll give her during the Christmas. His wife said, well, she's hardly able to manage her expenses and she's visiting her granddaughter. So not sure how she will be able to manage as these days inflation is high. I feel she can use a little bonus. Mr. Imran said, oh dear, I feel you're getting too sensitive and worrying too much. His wife said, don't worry, I'll cancel our plan to go out and have a pizza. That way, we can give her extra 500 as a bonus. Mr. Imran said with a smile, you are ready to take the pizza out of my mouth? Well, do as you feel. If you're willing to let go of 6-sliced pizza, it's fine. So after a couple of days when the maid had returned, she was cleaning the floor. Mr. Imran was sitting on his chair. He asked her, did you enjoy a good time with your granddaughter? The maid replied, yes sir, I enjoyed it a lot. I spent whole 500 in 2 days. Mr. Imran said, oh really? How did you spend 500 so quickly? The maid replied with a happy smile. For 150, I bought a dress for my granddaughter, bought sweets for 50, paid rupees 100 for bus tickets, bought bangles for rupees 50 for my daughter. For my son-in-law, I bought a belt for rupees 50 and last rupees 100. I gave to my granddaughter to purchase pencil and papers for her school. Mr. Imran was surprised. He started thinking about the 6 slices of pizza. Each slice started hitting in his mind. He started comparing the cost of the pizza with his maid's expense. He was lost in thoughts that how she bought something for everyone in her family and spent a quality time with them for her granddaughter's birthday. And all these just for the cost of the pizza. He realized something that day. We have a right to do what makes us happy and spend our hard-earned money as we like for our happiness. No one has a right to invite at how you spend your money earned by your hard work. But if you feel you had wasted your hard-earned money for something to gain nothing, even if it is occasionally, you have a chance to do something of a greater good for someone by following above story. You may not be obligated to do so, but your little goodwill can light up someone's life in many ways.